Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to delete ChatGPT account. So for that you need to do this process on a Google browser or any other browser. Click open browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar you need to go to the ChatGPT official web page. So on the search bar type in chat.openai.com and press enter, then get logged in into the account. Click on login, provide your account credential over here, click on continue. Now type in the password and then click on continue. Now that you have been logged in into your account, what you need to do is you need to click on the dotted line just beside your profile, click that, and then go to setting, click on it. In the setting you need to go to the data control, click that. The data control menu will appear and here you need to click on the option delete account, tap on delete. Confirmation modal will appear where you need to type your email address plus delete into the field to unlock the permanently delete my account option over here. So type in the email address and below you type in the delete word. The permanently delete my account will be unlocked, that is it will be clickable. Click on the permanently delete my account option and just with that you will be logged, that is you no longer have the account on ChatGPT. So this is the way how you can delete your ChatGPT account permanently. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.